Let's study very short answer type questions. Question 1. Define an entrepreneur. Answer. An entrepreneur is someone who perceives opportunity, organizes resources needed for exploiting that opportunity and exploits it. Question to give any one quality of a successful entrepreneur. Answer. Leadership is one quality of an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is essentially a leader. Entrepreneurs are people who exhibit qualities of leadership in solving problems. They have to lead a team for achievement of goals. Question 3. Name the term used for a false belief or opinion about something. Answer. Myth is the term used for a false belief or opinion about something. There are many myths about entrepreneurship. It is a myth that it is easy to start a business, startups cannot borrow from bank and many more. Question 4. How decision-making is an important function of an entrepreneur? Answer. Decision-making is an important function because it includes stabilizing organizations' aims and objectives and changes them according to the changing conditions. Question 5. How an entrepreneur acts as a visionary leader? Answer. Entrepreneur acts as a visionary leader as he is able to recognize profitable opportunities and successfully conceptualize strategies according to it. Question 6. What is the contribution of the entrepreneurs in the execution of government policies? Answer. The entrepreneurs provide an important contribution in implementing government policies and achieving the national goals. They cooperate with the government for implementations of development plans of the country. Let's study short answer type questions. Question 1. Explain any 3 characteristics or qualities of an entrepreneur. Answer. The characteristics of successful entrepreneurs are as follows. 1. Leadership. An entrepreneur must possess the characteristics of leadership and must lead a team for achievement of goals. The leader is able to clearly articulate their ideas and has a clear vision. 2. Innovativeness. With the changing needs and requirements of customers, production should meet requirements with the help in innovative ideas. An entrepreneur does not have to restrict itself to just one innovation, rather, he must use combination of innovation. 3. Decision maker. An entrepreneur has to take many decisions to put his business idea into reality. He chooses the best suitable and profitable alternative. Question 2. What are the functions of an entrepreneur? Write any 3 ans. The functions of an entrepreneur are as follows. First, organization and management. An entrepreneur organizes and manages various economic and human factors through planning, coordination, control, supervision, and direction. Second, size and scale of business unit. An entrepreneur has to decide about the size of business unit as he wants to establish one production unit or more dependent upon the demand of the product. Similarly, he has to decide about scale of production, i.e. small scale, middle scale or large scale. Third, factors of production. Another important function of an entrepreneur is the factors of production, i.e. land, labor, capital, etc. should be in right proportion, and to maximize output of these factors is the responsibility of the entrepreneur. Question 3. Explain the role and significance of entrepreneurs. Answer. The role and significance of entrepreneurs are discussed below. Organizer of society's productive resources. An entrepreneur is the organizer of society's productive resources. He is a person who assembles the unused natural, physical and human resources of the society, combines them properly, establishes effective coordination between them and makes the economic activities dynamic. Helpful in capital formation. An entrepreneur is helpful in capital formation, or we know that increase in the rate of capital formation is quite essential for the economic development of any country. Increase in employment opportunities. An entrepreneur creates maximum employment opportunities in the society by way of establishing new industries, developing and expanding the existing industries, and by undertaking innovative activities. Question 4. What are the myths of entrepreneurship? Explain. Answer. The common set of myths of entrepreneurship are explained below. 1. Starting a business is easy. In reality, it is a very difficult and challenging process to start a successful business. The rate of failure is high, but small entrepreneurship are comparatively easier to start. 2. Lot of money to finance new business. Successful entrepreneurs design their business with little cash also. 3. Startups can't be financed under the scheme like Mudra. Entrepreneurs can raise loans from banks. 4. Talent is more important than industry. This is not true, as the nature of industry an entrepreneur chooses greatly affects the success and growth of business. 5. Most startups are successful mostly in the developing countries. Startups fail as they could not manage to earn high profits. Let's study long answer type questions. 1. Describe the advantages of entrepreneurship as a career. Ans. The main advantages of adopting entrepreneurship as a career are discussed below. 1. Independence. An entrepreneur is himself a boss or owner and he can take all the decisions independently. 2. Exciting. Entrepreneurship can be very exciting, with many entrepreneurs considering their ventures highly enjoyable. Every day will be filled with new opportunities to challenge your determination, skills and abilities. 3. Wealth creation. The principal focus of entrepreneurship is wealth creation and improved livelihood by means of making available goods and services. Entrepreneurial ventures generates new wealth. New and improved products, services or technology from entrepreneurs enable new markets to be developed and new wealth to be created. 4. Flexibility. As an entrepreneur, you can schedule your work hours around other commitments, including quality time you would spend with your family. 5. Status. Success in entrepreneurship brings a considerable fame and prestige within the society. 6. Ambition fulfillment. Through entrepreneurship, one can fulfill his ambitions into original products or services. Question to describe the disadvantages of entrepreneurship as a career. Answer. Some of the common disadvantages of entrepreneurship as a career are as follows. 1. Huge amount of time. You have to dedicate a huge amount of time to your own business. Entrepreneurship is not easy, and for it to be successful, you have to take a level of time commitment. 2. Risk. Entrepreneurship involves high risk of loss. If the business fails, then it will wipe away all the personal savings. 3. Hard work. Entrepreneur has to work very hard to make the new business very successful. 4. Uncertain amount. There is no regular or fixed income available to an entrepreneur. So, there is always uncertainty in terms of income. 5. Incompetent staff. A new entrepreneur may not be able to hire qualified and experienced staff, so there are chances of incompetency by the staff due to lack of experience and knowledge.